In this video, we're going to explore digital badges. We're going to look at definitions, the process behind the badges, and how they work in practice. So we're probably familiar with the idea of badges in terms of organisations such as the Scouts. So to a Scout, a badge could be a symbol of achievement, recognition of their skills, and it's something that you would proudly display. A digital badge takes that idea online. We could define it as an online representation of a skill or an achievement. But this can provoke quite a lot of questions. What is the process behind digital badges? How are they issued and by who? How and where are my badges stored? And is the whole process even credible? That's where the Mozilla Open Badges framework comes in. It's free software and an open standard so that any organisation can create and issue badges. These badges are transferable. You can earn badges from multiple organisations and share and stack them in one location. And most importantly, there's credible metadata behind the badges about the issuer and the criteria involved. Let's take a closer look at the Open Badges process. Let's say we have a learner. They're involved in some kind of learning, whether online, offline, or maybe even something like a volunteering program. They earn a badge. This is then stored in their Mozilla backpack, where they can have earned badges from multiple issuers to provide a complete picture of their learning. Within their backpack, they can choose to share or publish their badges to social networks like Twitter and LinkedIn, to their website or a blog, or even to an e-portfolio. How is the All Aboard project going to use digital badges? Well, we're going to use digital badges that are linked to the Digital Skills Framework. We're also looking at the area of graduate attributes to see if digital badges could be mapped to these attributes. And finally, we're going to look at accrediting continuous professional development within higher education using digital badges. Let's run through a quick example of using digital badges with the existing integration between Blackboard and the Mozilla Open Badges framework. Let's say you want to create a podcasting badge. This badge would be awarded to students who research a topic and create a podcast based on it. The first step is to create the achievement in Blackboard. Then you can add a description about what the students need to do in order to earn the badge and set criteria. Now you've created your badge, associate a visual reward with it. You can either use one of the options provided within Blackboard, or there's lots of software where you can create your own badge visually. Finally, remember to link it to Mozilla. This means that students will be allowed to publish the badges directly to their backpack. So how does this work on the student end? In order to earn the podcasting badge, the student has to complete the criteria involved. Then if they go into My Achievements area, they'll see they've earned the podcasting badge. They can then choose to publish it to Mozilla, and then they'll see it in their backpack. They can then decide whether or not they want to share this online. So now you're aware of what digital badges are, let's recap how the All Aboard project is going to use digital badges. Well, firstly, what we're going to do is evaluate whether or not digital badges are an appropriate method of accrediting skills. We're also going to provide resources and guides on best practice and tips in managing, issuing, and creating badges. Finally, if you're interested in getting involved, perhaps in piloting the use of badges in your teaching, please do get in touch.